So Banuge, channel there welcome. Directorate of Prisons under the various posts online housing. Male warder 30 posts. Pay matrix level 3. Female warder 4 posts. Pay matrix level 3. Arrow driver grade 2. Male only. Number of posts 2. Pay matrix level 3. The total posts 36 online housing. Under Directorate of Prisons, Government of Nagaland. Idu tinta post nimi debi. Minimum education do class 8 pass hobo lage. Aro male warder or female warder karne minimum age 18 years hobo. Aro maximum 38 years hobo. Aro driver grade 2 karne minimum age 21 years. Maximum 37 years. Amni anjute government employees as already service as regular. No objection certificate to submit kuro lage. Aro application to takala website pra. Ede tikena api ase. presence.nagaland.government.in pra. Download kribi. Starting from 23 May 2025 till 9 June 2025. Open thakibo. With the amount of rupees 300 apni pay kuro lagibo as a registration fees. Aru jo koti submit kuro lagi gole to takan laga office de koima de submit kuro lagi. Yedi clearly ekta mention kurina ase apni kan recruitment nimide aha jawa kura laga expense to niche uthabo lagi tan tie kan iku natebo ko ase. Lastly, when you are recruitment date takan pra notify kuri dibo takala website. Okay, that's all with the video. Achila to man ase. Hope kore ase amni kan video kushi paise gole ekta like di dibi aru channel de subscribe kuri dibi. Thank you so much everyone for watching.